For years, one of the questions that we've heard the most often from boat owners, captains, and crew is simple. What can I use to remove mold and mildew stains? Now, if you've spent any time around boats, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Visible mold and mildew staining is one of the most common challenges in the marine environment. It can appear on the teak, around the caulk lines, fiberglass, vinyl, and other exterior surfaces. The challenge has always been finding a product that effectively removes those stains without relying on harsh chemicals, aggressive bleach, or caustic acids that can damage the surfaces and create environmental concerns. That's exactly why TDS formulated Eco Pro. Here at Teakdecking Systems, we develop products because we're the ones that have to use them. We wanted a mold and mildew stain remover that met the same high standards that we expect from every product that we put our name on.
It needed to be effective, easy to use, and environmentally responsible.
Eco Pro Concentrate is designed to remove visible mold and mildew stains from teak and other marine surfaces. It's specially formulated with advanced plant-derived detergent technology. Eco Pro is pH neutral, zero VOCs, MARPOL compliant, and safe for any waterway throughout the world. It delivers the professional stain removal performance without the harsh fumes, bleach, caustics, or aggressive acids commonly found in traditional cleaners. Start by shaking the bottle well.
Step 2.
For normal cleaning, mix 4 ounces of Eco Pro concentrate with 1 gallon of fresh water. For heavier staining, increase the concentration to 6 ounces per gallon. Always use fresh water, never salt water. Step 3. Apply the solution evenly to the stained surface by pouring or spraying it on. Make sure the entire area is thoroughly covered. Step 4. Allow the solution to remain on the surface for 2 to 5 minutes. For heavier staining, you can extend the contact time to up to 15 minutes, but do not allow it to dry if you're working in direct sunlight. If needed, you can apply additional solution to keep the surface wet.
Here's a pro tip. Apply Eco Pro early in the morning or late in the afternoon to avoid extreme heat and direct sunlight.
Step 5. Agitate the surface with a soft to medium bristle brush or cleaning pad. Apply firm, even pressure to allow the product to work into those stained areas. Step 6. Once you've finished scrubbing, thoroughly rinse the area with fresh water. Never use a pressure washer on teak decking as it can damage the wood fibers. The result is a cleaner, brighter surface with visible mold and mildew stains removed from your deck and ready for the next step in your maintenance routine. As part of the TDS Deck Care System, Eco Pro can be used before routine cleanings with the Eco 100 Teak Cleaning Powder and the Eco 300 Teak Cleaning Liquid. In addition to teak decking, Eco Pro can be used as a diluted spot cleaner for vinyl, glass, outdoor fabrics, and other marine surfaces, making it a versatile addition to any boat cleaning program. Eco Pro continues the Teakdecking Systems commitment to providing practical, environmental responsible products for the marine industry. It helps boat owners, captains, and crew remove visible mold and mildew stains while maintaining a cleaner, better looking deck surface. If you're ready to remove mold and mildew stains from the surfaces on your boat, Eco Pro is the way to go.